Exclusive. Dozens of congressional Democrats urge President to reconsider threatened import duties on US's two largest trading partners. A significant coalition of congressional Democrats is mounting intense pressure on President Donald Trump to reconsider his threatened imposition of steep import tariffs on the United States' two most significant trading partners, Canada and Mexico. In a strongly worded letter obtained exclusively by The Guardian, these lawmakers articulate their profound concerns that such a drastic measure would not only exacerbate the already precarious U.S. housing crisis, but also pose a substantial threat to the overall health and stability of the American economy. The letter, signed by over 40 House Democrats and spearheaded by Representative Jim Costa of California, underscores the critical reliance of the U.S. construction industry on imported materials from Canada and Mexico. Billions of dollars worth of essential construction materials, ranging from lumber, a cornerstone of residential and commercial building, to various cement products vital for infrastructure projects, flow annually into the U.S. from these neighboring. The Democrats' argument centers on the undeniable interconnectedness of the North American economies, highlighting the potential for catastrophic ripple effects should these vital trade relationships be severely disrupted. President Trump's rationale for imposing these sweeping tariffs, affecting all imports from both Canada and Mexico, rests on his stated goals of pressuring these nations to intensify their efforts in curbing illegal immigration into the U.S. and stemming the flow. However, the Democrats' letter convincingly counters this justification by emphasizing the far-reaching and potentially devastating consequences that would far outweigh any perceived benefits. The proposed tariffs are not narrowly targeted. They cast a wide net, impacting a vast array of goods and services, thereby creating a significant risk of widespread price increases across the U.S. economy. This inflationary pressure, the Democrats argue, would disproportionately affect lower and middle-income households, exacerbating existing inequalities and further undermining economic stability. The letter meticulously details the potential economic fallout, citing estimates from the U.S. housebuilding industry that project a staggering increase of up to $4 billion in the cost of imported construction materials. This figure represents a substantial burden on the already strained housing market, where affordability is a major concern. The cumulative effect of these new tariffs, compounded by existing duties on Chinese goods, is predicted to severely constrict the supply of essential building materials, leading to escalating construction costs and potentially triggering a further slowdown in housing construction. This would not only exacerbate the ongoing housing shortage, but also negatively impact related industries, leading to job losses and a broader economic downturn. The Democrats' intervention follows a period of intense diplomatic maneuvering, culminating in 11th-hour negotiations between President Trump, Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador, and Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau earlier this month. While these talks temporarily averted the immediate threat of tariff implementation, the letter underscores the deep-seated concerns of the Democratic representatives, indicating that the underlying issue remains unresolved and necessitates a more comprehensive and nuanced approach. The letter implicitly challenges President Trump's simplistic view of the complex interconnectedness of the North American economies, advocating for a more strategic and cooperative approach to addressing immigration and drug trafficking concerns, one that avoids the potentially catastrophic consequences of economically damaging trade restrictions. The Democrats urge a reconsideration of the proposed tariffs, calling for a solution that prioritizes the long-term economic well-being of the United States and its neighboring countries, rather than resorting to potentially counterproductive protectionist measures. The letter's urgent tone leaves little doubt about the seriousness of the Democrats' concerns and their determination to prevent the implementation of these potentially devastating tariffs.